I therefore propose to reduce the existing rate of taxation for individual assessees between the income 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs to 5% instead of the present rate of 10%. That there would be a zero tax liability for a person getting income up to 3 lakh rupees and a tax liability of only 2,500 for people with an income of 3 to 3.5 lakhs. If limit of rupees 1.5 lakhs under section 80C investment is used fully, tax would be zero for people with an income up to rupees 4.5 lakhs. While taxation liability of people with income up to 5 lakhs is being reduced to half, all other categories of taxpayers in the subsequent brackets will also get a uniform benefit. We will undertake a mission Antyodaya to bring 1 crore households out of poverty and make 50,000 gram panchayats poverty free by 2019. Service charges on e-tickets booked through IRCTC will be withdrawn.
I feel therefore, this kind of a transformative budget, an energizing budget, and a budget which will ensure that, more of the clean money rather than black money stays in the economy is going to be good for the economy and specifically also for Goa in the long run.
So I'm happy for medium and small enterprises whose turnover is less than 50 crores. Finance Minister has reduced the corporate tax to 25%. It's a great relief to us.
But when the budget actually came, he tried to please one and all. And I think he has been successful to a great extent. First and foremost, as a National President of MSME, I welcome the steps taken in respect to MSME because he has given us tax rebate of almost 5%. Secondly, he has also given additional inputs and stress on infrastructure development.
जो टॅक्सेशना भितर सगळ्यान व्हडलो सामान्य मनशाक जो रिलीफ दिवपाचो एक डिसिजन घेतिल्लो आसा जो प्रपोज केला ह्या बजेटा भितर आनी तो म्हणजे इनकम जेंचे 2.5 lakh इफ द इनकम इज बिटवीन 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs तो जो इनकम टॅक्स लिमीट आसा ते इट हॅज बीन ब्रॉट डावन फ्रॉम 10% to 5%.